May the soul rest in eternal peace. Meanwhile, learning institutions and other organizations have been urged to employ chaplains from government colleges that are competent to provide spiritual nourishment. Speaking during a graduation ceremony at Tenwek Hospital College of Chaplaincy, Chief College Principal Paul Ekal Lokol said some colleges continue to be operational despite not meeting laid-down regulations. The principal said the graduates are capable of offering counseling to key institutions, including prisons and police stations. The event was presided over by the head of Africa Gospel Church, Kenya, Bishop Dr. Robert Langat.
Hawa wamefundishwa mambo ya critical care nursing, community nursing. Pia tuko na clinical officers wamegraduate leo. Na pia tuko na wachaplain. Hawa ni wachungaji ambao wanahudumu katika ma institutions kama shule, kama mahospitali, pia katika military. Na tunashukuru Mungu kwa kasi ambayo inafanyika hapa Tenwek.
We look forward even to graduating more because the school is expanding. We are getting more and we are starting at a specialty training program. We have started higher diploma in critical care nursing, and we are going to start soon again. That is accident and emergency nursing, and even ECO program for clinical medicine.
We have what is called residency programs, where we run programs aimed at producing the best consultants in this country. And so as a hospital, we are so committed to ensuring that we improve and help our people in this great land of Kenya.
Uhuru Community Development Project, CBO-based